Alright guys, I'm going to walk you through how to do the box challenge today. Alright, first you're going to erase this guy. Okay, then we're going to choose the rectangle. Again, we want to always choose the top rectangle in there. And make a rectangle on your screen. Then using the push-pull button, pull it up. We got our 3 box so far. Now we're going to make it all rounded. So we're going to choose, I'm going to look at the top here. Okay, and I'm going to choose the arch tool, which is the second one there. And I'm going to just start somewhere on the edge. I'm going to make my arch. Got that one. Now, I don't really care about your accuracy with your arch. If you follow the written directions, it'll get really specific. Just make your edges rounded. You want to make sure when you're doing the arch tool that you have a red arch there. Because if you go with the green or the black one, it'll go off the shape. Okay? So now I'm going to push-pull my rounded edges down. Till you want to push it pull till you see it say on the edge. So you can click on the edge and then it disappears. Again, if you have a mouse, just holding that top rolly button down allows you to twirl around your shape. Okay? Or you can use the orbit button down here to help you move around. Alright, so now I've got one set of round. Now I'm going to make it round on the other edges. So I'm going to choose my rectangle tool. I'm going to make a rectangle on the side of my shape. I'm going to push-pull it in just slightly. Okay. Now I'm going to make an arch on the inside here. Go midway. And remember, red is what you want for the arches. You want the red one. Okay. So now I've got my arch. Now I'm going to select what I want that to follow. So I'm going to double click on the top here so the edges are all blue. And then I'm going to hold the shift key. Once again, you're holding the shift key down. And I'm going to click so that gets deselected. I'm going to click so that that gets deselected. That gets deselected. That and that. So right now I just have the whole outside of it is blue. And I'm going to let go of the shift key. Now I'm going to choose the follow me tool right here. And I'm going to click on this. Nope, we lost it. Let's try that again. So you're going to click everything, hit shift, unclick, unclick. Okay, hit follow me, and then it goes all the way around. Okay, you see this little part jutting out here, that's 2D, so I'm going to take my eraser tool and just erase it. Now, I need to get rid of my cutout, so I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to push-pull it all the way back through. Okay, and I can erase that line too. I don't want it there. Okay, and then I have a box with a rounded edge. You can paint it in a bunch of different colors, make it pretty, but this is what you are turning in today. This would be considered a 3. Okay, if you want a 4, you want to go high achieving. So a colored in box like this would be a 3. Okay, if you want to shoot for a 4, what you need to do is you need to do 2 rounded edges. So on the bottom, you would do another rounded edge, or experiment and see if there's something else you can do to the box using the follow me tool. So there's my grade of a 3 rounded edge box challenge done. Once again, you're going to go to the 3 things here, export, PNG, and then choose, you just need to do one view that kind of shows me it, and turn that in.